How to add a translator to a WordPress website. Are you looking to expand your audience and make your WordPress website accessible to a global audience? In just a few simple steps, I'll show you how to add a translator to the WordPress website. Let's get started. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. Select Plugins. Click Add New Plugins. Search for a translation plugin in the search bar. Type Google Language Translator. Click on Install. Click on Activate. Click on Google Language Translator Settings. Select the languages you want to add. Scroll down and click on Save Changes. Test your translations. Visit your website. Thanks for watching. You have successfully added a translator to your WordPress website. Now your content can reach users around the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,